How to live edit in Reelshot. Want to see your changes in real time? Here's how to live edit in Reelshot. First, open your project in Reelshot and tap on live edit option. You can find it at the bottom in the toolbar. As you apply effects, adjust settings, or clips, the preview screen updates immediately so you can see how it looks before saving. You can scrub through the timeline to check transitions or effects live and fine-tune everything on the fly. Just work directly on your timeline and monitor the preview window to perfect your edits. Do you prefer live editing? Tell us why in the comments below. Use headphones while live editing to catch audio details and sync better. And that's how you can live edit in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.